Hello, welcome back to my allotment plot, and I've come down this evening. It's Sunday evening, it's a bit windy, it's been warm again. We've had no rain for about 2 odd weeks. We're in July. This is just for my own record, so if I ever watch back this video next year so I can see where I am, well, this is exactly where I am. Loving the sun. Allotment plot is pretty much a disaster. If you can't remember, well, I'll quickly explain. So I decided I was going to do a flower farm, which started off quite well by doing seeds in my polytunnel, and then I kind of ended up killing all those, so I had to buy a load of plugs, which cost me a fortune. Now my cosmos is doing quite well here. I did have some zinnia here. They were looking really bad, so I've put them in my back garden and dropped a button at squash plants here and put some weed membrane down. And this is going to have to be the theme of how the plot continues for 2026 now, because I'm not finding a lot of time to get down here. The weather is definitely not on my side at all. I can't come down here at lunchtime, do any weeding, because I'd end up with sunstroke. And of an evening after work, by the time I've done a bit of watering, I'll just come down here to get out of the house. Well, the evening's pretty much over. My leeks are doing okay, so that's fine. We've got some Swiss chard, well, Swiss chard in it. We've got some marigolds that are doing nicely. I'm using this as a pointer today. I've just picked from there. So that's the first one of the season. My French beans are actually doing okay. They look like they've been watered loads, but honestly, they haven't. I bust my hose pipe, which hasn't helped either. The dahlias are coming out nicely, so I'm pleased with those. Are those cosmos too big to transfer into my garden? Because I just have not got the time to come down to keep watering things, and I just don't want anything to die, particularly the flowers, because they're beautiful, aren't they? And I don't know, can I still move them into the garden? I have got spot for them. My snapdragons, they started off looking good. Now they're kind of looking a bit, well, they're wrestling with bloody weeds, because I'm not finding time to do any weeding. There seems to be a theme here, doesn't there? My potatoes, I just need to dig up a few more. I've had some cracking potatoes, I'm not going to lie. I've just left those. I do need to get them out of the ground. My motto is normally to get them out of the ground as quick as possible, but yeah, it just hasn't happened up until now. Cabbages and cauliflowers are actually doing wonderful in this netting. It's the first time I've ever done anything like this before, using netting and growing stuff like this, and this will be something that I'll definitely be doing in the future, because it's low maintenance and easy work. My beans, well, there's not really much going on there. I know you have to water them loads, and I just haven't. Look at all this everywhere. I've got to be honest, I'm gutted that I've let the allotment plot get like this year. It is just, I've been wrestling with priorities from work, my polytunnel in the back garden, which, to be honest with you, I'm absolutely loving, and I really have nurtured that. But this plot has suffered, I'm not going to lie. I've got an Atlantic pumpkin there, which seems to be doing well. Planted a load of sunflowers here, and all these are bloody coming up now as well, so they're going to be gorgeous, aren't they? But yeah, I mean, there's so many weeds in between them all. Some carrots, which are planted, and then a bird had away with all the bloody seed strips. So I've tried to put some stuff over the top of some fresh seed strips that I've put in, but I haven't come down here to water them. So I don't know what's happening with those. I haven't got a hose pipe now, so that ain't happening. It's a bit of a mess down the back here as well. Got a bit of weed membrane thrown around in parts. Behind here needs a bit of a tidy up, doesn't it? In my greenhouse. So I've taken all my chilies that I've been growing in here back to my polytunnel at home, because I can look after them better. It has been getting so hot in this greenhouse, and I haven't been able to get down here. And even though these are supposed to be self-watering, honestly, they've just not been doing well. I don't know what has gone wrong. Could be the soil, whatever, I don't know. But I've taken them home, and they've absolutely taken to being in my polytunnel. I can water them twice a day, and they're loving life. I've got this aubergine plant here that I think I'm going to take back as well. But look, this is what happens, you see. I haven't come down here for a little bit, and look at my cucumbers turn to a shrivelling. Look at that. And you know, the other thing is, because I've got 4 cucumbers in my polytunnel at home that are doing amazing, it just feels like there's no motivation for me to kind of worry about it or get it right. I bought a load of bloody seed strips. Look at this. Beetroot, carrot, autumn king. I think I clicked the wrong quantity on the kale, because I've got about 7 or 8 packs of seed strip for bloody kale, black tuscan, some spring onion seed strips there, and that's just been sitting there for days. I don't know, I think I need to get those in the ground. I still think I've got time to plant them, but yeah, at the moment it is an absolute mishmash of things that I've started and things that I've just not really followed through. That seems to be the theme this year, and it is what it is. You know, I'm not going to get upset about it or anything, but this is definitely not how I normally look after my allotment plot. So I really need to spend some time this week sorting this out, trying to figure out how I can kind of make it a bit more manageable. I feel like introducing a bit more weed membrane here and there might help. Don't know what to do with these flowers. Do I just leave them? My potatoes, I need to get those up quick time. But yeah, it's looking interesting, I'm not gonna lie. And there you have it. That's how my allotment plot is looking right about now. How's yours looking? Are you struggling? Is it just me who started 100 things and finished none? It generally is me that does that sort of stuff. I'm having an absolute wild time in my polytunnel at home. I'm loving it. But down here, it's just not working out very well this year. But yeah, I'll give you an update. If you haven't already done so, and you want to follow along and see how I try and get this in order, hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything to follow along and watch me try and get this back into order. Give the video a like if you've enjoyed it as much as I've enjoyed coming down here and pretty much moaning about it. But for now, yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.